Hi to everyone. The concept we are going to present here is providing a healthcare services using chatbot to lead a good life. Healthcare is very much important, but it is very difficult to obtain the consultations with the doctor in case of any health issues. The proposed idea is to create a medical chatbot using a artificial intelligence that can diagnose the disease and provide basic detail about the disease before consulting a doctor. In rural areas, the doctor will not available in the hospital for 24 bar 7. This is the major problem faced in the most of the rural area hospitals. Hardware and software description of our project is Arduino, medical dispenser, LCD display, audio amplifier and speaker. And the process is a laptop will be placed in hospital which will be operated by the head nurse in the hospital. On the other end, doctor will be connected when the patient comes. His temperature and pressure is noted down and sent into the chatbot. Then set of questions will be asked by the chatbot to the patient and patient has to answer these questions. Depending upon the answers, the chatbot will prescribe the medicine to the patient. Here we are using an automatic medical dispenser with a contained pill dispensing mechanism and storage facilities for the purity of pills that can be dispensed based on the user requirement. All these systems are mentoring by central processor. The implementation of personalized medical assistant heavily relies on AI algorithm as well as training data. At last, the implementation of personalized medicine would successfully save many lives and create a medical awareness among the people. As I said before, the future era is the era of messaging app because the people going to spend more time in messaging apps than any other apps. This medical chatbot has provided wide and vast future scope. No matter how far the people are, they can have their medical conversation. It responds quick as well. Initially, the patients are given a username and a password to access the chatbot. Manually, their name, age, and gender are given as input to the chatbot. But this will be carried by head nurse with who are all working in the hospitals. The patient's body temperature and heartbeat is determined by the sensor which are affixed with the system. An automatic medical dispenser is also provided along with the system. A text-to-text diagnosis bot engages in conversation with the patients regarding their medical issues. Based on the diagnosis, the doctor will prescribe the medicine to the chatbot which is placed in the hospital. The medicine will be given to the patients with the help of automatic medical dispenser. Medical dispenser described by the doctor will also be displayed with the help of LCD display. Here the Arduino microcontroller controls the sensor, medical dispenser, LCD display and audio power amplifier. Other than the prescribed time, the doctor can access the patient through their system. And the program which is used for this chatbot is displayed here. Here we are using a Python language and it collects the basic details uh, and with the password. Database of the patients are stored in the above application. Text to text diagnosis bot engages in conversation with the patients regarding their medical issues. Finally, a medical chatbot provides personalized diagnosis based on symptoms. In future, the bot symptoms recognition and diagnosis performance would be greatly improved by adding support for more medical features such as location, duration, and intensity of the symptom and more details. Even voice conversation can be added in the system to make it more easy to use. The implementation of personalized medical assistant heavily relies on AI algorithm as well as training data. At last, the implementation of personalized medicine would successfully save many lives and create a medical awareness among the people. As I said before, the future era is the era of messaging app because the people going to spend more time in messaging apps than any other apps. This medical chatbot has provided wide and vast future scope. No matter how far the people are, they can have their medical conversation. Through this, we can save lot of life, even in rural areas.